How to get people to click and watch your videos. Getting people to click and watch your videos involves a combination of factors, including content quality, presentation, and promotion. Here are some tips to help you increase engagement and attract more viewers. Create high-quality content. Ensure your videos are well-produced, clear, and visually appealing. Provide valuable and relevant content that addresses your audience's needs or interests. Invest time in editing to make your videos engaging and enjoyable to watch. Compelling thumbnails. Design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent the video content. Use high-resolution images and consider adding text to highlight key points. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Craft attention-grabbing and concise video titles that clearly convey the content. Write detailed video descriptions with relevant keywords to improve searchability. Create an intriguing introduction. Capture viewers' attention in the first few seconds of your video. Clearly communicate what viewers can expect to see and why it's worth their time. Engaging content throughout. Keep your content interesting and engaging throughout the entire video. Use a conversational tone and include storytelling elements when appropriate. Promote on social media. Share your videos on various social media platforms to increase visibility. Use engaging captions, hashtags, and images to attract attention. Leverage SEO. Optimize your video content for search engines by using relevant keywords. Use tags that accurately describe your content and target your intended audience. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with influencers or other content creators in your niche. Cross-promote each other's content to reach a broader audience. Encourage likes, comments, and shares. Ask viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Respond to comments to foster a sense of community and engagement. Consistent posting schedule. Establish a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Regular uploads can help build anticipation and loyalty among viewers. Create playlists. Organize your videos into playlists, making it easier for viewers to find related content. Monitor analytics. Use analytics tools to understand viewer behavior and preferences. Adjust your content strategy based on the data to better cater to your audience. Remember, building an audience takes time, so be patient and stay committed to improving your content based on viewer feedback and analytics.